this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a login code on Pepperstone For Meta Trader 4. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go into pepperstone.com. From here you'll need to go down to the trading accounts once after you have logged into your already existing account or created and registered for a new account if you don't already have one. From here you'll need to go down to the menu and click trading accounts and select either live or a demo account. This will work with both ways. From here you'll need to click add a trading account over here, and then this page should be popping up. Here you'll need to click MetaTrader 4 and you'll need to fill all of these other information for your account. From here you'll need to click submit, and once you've done that, a new page will pop up saying your MetaTrader 4 demo has been created or a MetaTrader 4 account has been created, and then you'll see your login credentials right here. You'll see the server ID here, and the login will be the same login as you used for your Pepperstone account. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!